So the question is, what would you do if you see someone you respect a lot, maybe a celebrity, a prominent figure in the society? Are you going to be like that random guy who sees someone he loves so much and then the first thing that comes to his mind is to take a selfie? What's that going to amount to? What is that going to do for you? That's just going to be another random picture. So the question is, what would you say to someone you respect a lot when you meet them in the public? If you ask me, why do I love to work with teenagers and pre-teenagers? I would gladly respond to that question. And that's the same thing you should do when you meet any prominent figure or someone you respect in the society. So 2 things you should do. First, you could either ask them a question like, how can we solve the educational problem in Nigeria? They would respond to you. Or you could actually start talking to them about it. Sir, or ma, or madam, I have a solution. I have an idea that I would like to share with you. And you begin to talk about what you think about the educational sector and how you want it resolved. They will listen to you. And that's the way to be productive and to contribute brilliantly and intelligently to your society. This is why Big Bruni's 18 Lead project is focused on asking important societal questions where teenagers get to think creatively and analytically about ways they can solve certain societal problem, like the educational sector. You know, we ask teenagers, what would you do if you are the president of Nigeria? What would you do to solve the educational problem in Nigeria? It's so amazing to hear these beautiful thoughts that they have. You know, Sarah, Perpetual, Musumola, Joel, Jackson, all these fantastic and amazing guys. They said so many brilliant things that you should see. So congratulations, Perpetual, on winning the first edition of the 18 Lead project. And thank you as well to other participants. Thank you for contributing excellently to this project. We chose the person with the highest number of views for a reason. And that's because it is not just enough that you have a voice. It is important that your voice is heard. And I'm glad that your friends, your family, and those around you could hear your voice, could hear your opinion. That's amazing, that's fantastic, and that shows that we are on the right path to contributing our quota to our community. Congratulations once again, Perpetual. Watch out for the next edition of the 18 Lead project.